Hey guys, welcome to this video where I try to fix my old Xperia XA1 phone. So the problem was the charging port is burned. So as you can see on the screen right now, I'm showing you that the charging port is burned, but it's not very clear. So what we are going to do to fix it is I've ordered a charging board from China, and hopefully this fixes the phone so I'm able to charge again and yeah, use it like normal. So let's get through the process.
Nice.
Okay guys, so now once the back cover is off, now we have to remove the battery in order to access the charging board right down there.
Hi.
Okay. Okay guys, so I've disassembled until the charging board, so now we have to put back everything together and hope for the best.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so after charging the phone, as you can see in the video, it is stuck in the Xperia screen, and this is a software issue because I think the phone wasn't turned on about 2 years, and now I've repaired it and charged it, it's giving problem. So we are going to run it through the Xperia companion app and try to restore the software.
No! God, please, no! No! No!